Hello, everybody. This is Mark Sage, Executive Director of the Area Augmented Reality Enterprise Alliance, and I'm excited to be here today talking about our upcoming event. The event is called the Immersive Technology Conference. It's in Gateshead at the AMP Proto lab in production area there on the 6th and 7th of December. Today, I'm talking to some of our gold sponsors who are going to introduce themselves shortly. But there's still some tickets available, so please go to the area website, www.thearea.org/events, and have a look for the 2023 Immersive Technology Conference. Anyway, enough from me. Let's hear about some of our exciting gold sponsors. So Alex, Net4, it would be great if you could just introduce yourself and talk a little bit about what your company is doing in the immersive tech space.
Thanks, Mark. So I'm Alex Taylor, CEO of Net4, and we're a technology solutions provider. So we bring together all the components. So we work closely with James and Jonathan. I'm not going to steal their thunder. But we bring together the hardware, the software, and the connectivity, and we package it together so a customer's got a usable solution. And we also do all of the training, onboarding, support, and any additional work that's required.
Fantastic. Thank you, Alex. Johnson, let's move over to you from Vuzix.
Thanks, Mark. So yes, Vuzix. We are an augmented reality hardware manufacturer. Vuzix has been working in this space for the last 25 years, headquartered out of Rochester, New York. One of our primary products is the one you can see behind me. There we go, that side. We are very much innovators in this space. So Vuzix hardware is, or Vuzix technology is used in a number of different ways. We supply to the military, we supply to healthcare. We're also quite big in logistics, manufacturing, warehousing, security verticals. And we have a pretty wide range in our portfolio, which will all be on display at the event.
Fantastic. Thank you, Jonathan. And James from Simply Video.
Hi, Mark. My name is James. I'm the partnerships lead here at Simply Video. We work with partners such as Alex and Jonathan to provide a cross-platform XR collaboration solution. We can deploy our solution into a private cloud or a self-hosted environment, and we also have native Google Meet and Microsoft Teams integration capabilities. So we can bring devices like Vuzix, for example, and we can connect them all the way through to the boardroom, through hardware endpoints from the likes of Poly and Cisco to give a robust 360 connected worker solution in a secure environment.
Fantastic. Thank you, James. So the area event, we're focusing on a few key things. It's going to be about giving as much demonstration time as possible to the attendees and making it very interactive so everybody that attends can ask questions and really dive into that detail. We are also focusing on inviting end users, so people that are either thinking about immersive technology or at the very start of their journey, companies and individuals that are in their kind of what we call pilot purgatory phase, and then finally some of the experts, and you'll hear from some world leading experts there. So the question, I guess, for you guys, and Alex, we'll start with you, is what are you most excited about in the event and what will you actually be showing?
So I'm most excited about talking to the attendees about either their intentions and thoughts, so those that are just starting out, but also hearing from those businesses about the challenges they've faced when they really are integrating this at scale, because I think that's one of the key things we focus on is, you've got the amazing hardware from Vuzix, you've got, the integration through to Teams and that real enterprise grade stuff that Simply Video bring. But then you've got the challenges of integrating technology. And that's where our background is how do you overcome that and normalize this? So that you're not having to say, oh, this is an unusual technology or this is new and different. Your older generation of workers and helping them use this. And that's where we see this augmented reality really taking hold over the next 12 months. I think with the ecosystem, the way it's developing, the acceleration is now. So we're really keen to get on those projects.
Perfect. Thank you, Alex. And within the event, as you well know, and we're talking to everybody else, it's about overcoming some of the barriers to adoption and anything from safety, security, ROI. And we'll also be looking at some of the kind of supplementary technologies like 5G and AR and digital twin and how they work together. Cool. So same question for you, Jonathan. I know it's kind of tough because Alex has already talked a little bit about it, but what are you most looking for and what will you be showing? More importantly, I guess that's probably a more relevant question to you.
Yeah, sure. So the big thing for Vuzix is our technology needs to be experienced. That's the kind of key thing. Almost everybody is aware of AR, VR. They're aware that these technologies exist out there, but how you then incorporate that into your particular business, how you can kind of justify the expense that goes around a new solution, especially a transitional technology. So people being able to experience it, being able to put the glasses on and actually, for sometimes for the first time, actually see it, see the capabilities, see what this can do, see how this might then be able to benefit them and where that can be used. And obviously the big thing for us, what makes it far more important than just people wearing this, is actually then what can I do with it? So this is where Simply Video and Net4 come in, because without what they're able to wrap around the hardware, it is essentially an expensive luxury item. But once you invoke everything that they bring to the table, this becomes an absolute necessity to every enterprise.
Fantastic. Yeah, thank you, Jonathan. Some great insights there. And I kind of say bringing it all together. And I don't, each element brings it all together. But James, the kind of software and actually focusing on real business solutions is really important. So you can talk a little bit about what you're looking forward to and what Simply Video will bring.
Yeah, look, absolutely. And, I can only echo what Alex and Jonathan have just mentioned. But really, the power of Simply Video here is we can leverage this, amazing cutting edge tech that can ultimately deliver value today in the sense of Vuzix smart glasses with existing technologies that have already been adopted, right, by enterprise across the enterprise, right, such as Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and video conferencing hardware. So that's one element that we are really looking forward to discussing with anybody who does attend, but also as well, on the data sovereignty and security side. So being able to deploy your Vuzix smart glasses across secure infrastructure, which of course Alex will no doubt touch with his 5G capabilities, but then also the private cloud element and self-hosted, if that is an option that the attendees are willing to explore as well.
So lots of exciting opportunities, lots of opportunities to actually try on the equipment, to actually use the equipment. And I guess from your point, Alex, how you can actually bring it together. One of the challenges we see in the ecosystem is how do companies actually buy it and successfully deploy it. So lots of those things happening there. I'm really excited, and thank you for being a gold sponsor of the event. There's lots more to come. And just a reminder, it's the 6th and 7th of December in Proto, AMP Proto in Gateshead. I think at the end of this, we'll have a link so you can click onto it as well. So hopefully I'll see you guys there, but see other people there. And thank you very much for listening.